Design, build, process control, logistics. Whether designing and building metal stamping dies or running metal stampings and assemblies, at Rockford Toolcraft, our Make It Happen attitude means we do whatever it takes to get your job out on time and correct. Established in 1976 by Jerry Bussey as a two-man tool and die shop, his son Tom joined the family business a few years later and now leads the company. We've grown to nearly 400 employees at 2 plant locations in Rockford, Illinois. Rockford Toolcraft serves markets in agriculture, heavy truck, appliance, commercial hardware, automotive, heavy electrical, and RV, with high-quality metal stampings and assemblies. Our customers benefit from our many cost-saving ideas and capabilities. Whether it's converting a cast part to a stamped part, eliminating several weldments into a single stamping, or inserting a nut into the die as it's running to eliminate a secondary operation. 60 presses in our 2 state-of-the-art plants, ranging from 100 tons up to our largest, the 4,400-ton Brutus line. Make quick use of a coil of steel up to 40,000 pounds, 60 inches wide and a ½ inch thick. Rockford Toolcraft has always designed and built its own stamping dies, as well as supplied other OEM stampers with dies. AutoForm simulation software lets us design a tool on the computer and see the results of any changes virtually. With AutoForm, we can see what's happening to the material, like any spring back, thickening or thinning, and identify weaknesses before we manufacture the tool. Our 4,000-watt laser with 15 pallets can run automatically in a lights-out operation. The 6,000-watt laser can cut material up to 1.25 inches thick. Our fiber optic laser cuts material 3 to 5 times faster than conventional CO2 lasers. And the 5-axis laser can cut 3D profiles on parts. Robotic press loading can load heavier blanks weighing over 100 pounds. 4 robotic weld cells improve quality and increase capacity. Our stamping department is TS certified and we're ISO certified in the tool room. We're proud of our loyal and experienced employees. Many of our die designers, tool makers, and press operators have been with Rockford Toolcraft for over 20 years. We look to the future and understand the importance of reinvesting in our company through our apprenticeship program and continuous on-site training. And we stay current with the latest industry technology. And Rockford Toolcraft has remained financially strong with an A+ rating and no union affiliation. We strive to be a trouble-free supplier with the goal to deliver on time and produce high-quality work. At Rockford Toolcraft, honesty and integrity are our top priorities. Call us for your next project and let us show you what we can do.